I'm going to show you how to correctly use Streamio on iPhone. So in order to make Streamio web show on your home screen for easy access at all times, you will need to install the PWA. In order to do this, open Streamio web with the Safari browser. This is the only browser that supports PWAS. Then press the following two buttons. First of all, press this share button and click on Add to Home Screen. Now let's open Streamio web from your device home screen. You will probably notice the streaming server is not available warning. Simply press Don't Show Again. Now let's log in by pressing this button, which is Login. After you're logged in, go to Settings page and scroll down to the Play in External Player setting. Change the value from Disabled to one of the supported iOS video players, VLC or Out Player. After making the selection, you should also ensure that the video player that you chose is installed on your device. And that's it. You should now be able to see Streamio web on your iPhone or iPad device.